Step 1. Access the listing editor. Log into your Occasion workspace and click on Listings on the left sidebar menu. Next, select My Template, then click Create New Listing under the Birthday Party Listing template. Step 2. Enter basic party information. Give your listing a fun name like Playtime Birthday Party, or Jump and Jive Birthday Bash, or Soft Play Adventure Birthday. In the description, emphasize the fun of a place-based party. Step 3. Add images to your listing. Click on the Images tab and upload up to 5 fun, high-quality images showcasing your play space and action. Consider including photos of kids enjoying activities, party setups, or colorful play areas. Step 4. Save party time slots. Go to the Time Slots tab and choose your available party dates and times. Add multiple slots to accommodate different party schedules. Step 5. Set maximum guest capacity. Head to the Availability tab and set the maximum number of guests you can host for each party. For example, if your play space can accommodate 15 children, enter 15. Step 6. Build your party roster. Go to the People tab and check the boxes for details you want to collect, such as first name, last name, email, phone, age, or allergies. When you're done, click Save Attendee Information. And there we go. You've created a nice birthday party listing.